Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Nitecore Tiny SS Tropical. Now the Tropical is for the color. This is a mini stainless steel keychain light. I was sent this by Banggood.com. They wanted me to test and review this. Comes in this box. Let's wait no further, let's open it up and see what's in. Comes with the warranty card, as you can see. Does have a user manual here. Try to get to the specs of the light here. And just from the specs here, as you can see, you have 380 lumens on the highest output on this little tiny wonder of light. If you need more time, go ahead and pause your screen. Otherwise, we're going to move on here. Does come with a quick release keychain clip there, really nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the light. Now I had done a previous review on a Tiny from Nitecore. That was the copper series, and again, these are really amazing in their build quality and their design. So I'm going to go ahead and put the keychain ring on this here. And there we go. Really easy to put that on there. Now this is running the Cree XP-G2 LED. Now as you can see, there is a special type of diffused optics to help make this beam real floody. Now my fingerprints are already getting all over it, but these really clean up easy and they really look nice. Here's the charging port here. Charge that via USB. Move that completely out of your way to be able to get to that port. Beautiful finish on this. Style and design on this is definitely very nice for just about anybody wanting a everyday carry light on their keychain. And we all carry keys in one point or another. This is definitely nice to have. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go through the UI. The UI is really simple on this light. In order to activate the light, you're going to press and hold that bottom button of the two, and then with the top button closest to the head, you're going to go through the light outputs. That's low, medium, and high. Now when you want the 380 lumens turbo, you're going to press and hold. Amazing that that has that much light output. Real floody on the beam here. A little bit of a focused spot here, but it just really even beam floody from there on. Once you pull it away far enough, it's pretty complete flood, should I say. Then of course you go back down. Now this does have memory mode, so if you press and turn that off, press and hold that, turn it back on, it does memorize the last light output that you had it on. So if we go to high, press and hold to turn that off, press and hold, turn that back on. It does have memory mode, which is really nice on a keychain light. Then of course, from
Really
off,
simple.
You're gonna click that, it'll tell you your battery power. Now if you click on this, it will blink 3 times, that tells you 100%. If it blinks twice, you're at 50%. And of course if it blinks 1, then you're at about 25%, and you need to recharge this light. Now if you do want instant access to turbo, all you have to do is press that top button at any time and release it. Get you automatic. Easy access to that. Just amazing, tiny little wonder of light. Really am very impressed with these. So let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We're out here in the darkness with the little Nitecore tiny SS Tropical. And we're going to go ahead and turn it on here. And it is on, as you can faintly see on the ground. And you can easily see about 10 feet from where I'm standing here. We're going to go up to the next level here, making 35 feet out to that water spout there. Going to be real floody on this, as you can see on the fence. No hot spot really at all. Usually making, 20 feet, 25 feet, and it starts to fall off after about 35. Show the range here on the fence. See, it's lighting it up pretty good. So, all right, and we're going to go to the next level. A little more light output, that's nice. Making 65 feet now, as you can see. Really nice floody beam on this. Even beam all the way around. As you can see here, before, after, really nice wide beam on this. Alright, now we're going to press and hold this for turbo. And there we go. Look at that. Now you have to press and hold this to keep it on turbo. A little keychain light providing 380 lumens of floodlight. Incredible. 35 feet to that spout, faintly making the tree of life there. That's amazing. So here's without turbo, with turbo. Look at the beam on that. All coming from this little light. These are tiny wonders of light. Put it above the camera here. You can see huge wide spill and beam in that. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This is just an amazing little light. Tiny in wonder on how it can produce that much light output. It's got good run times on low and medium. High is pretty good also. Turbo, of course, is going to run down the battery quite a bit faster. Not only that, but this thing can get pretty warm using it. Now this makes a great everyday carry as well for your keychain light, because it has that ability to provide you a nice flood beam. Now, the fact that it is USB rechargeable is a plus, because you can charge it whenever you want. Most people have cell phone chargers that use the micro USB charging port, so this is something you can easily charge, and it will charge rather quickly. And also, someone sees this on your keychain, they play with it a little bit, seeing the light outputs, it's going to definitely start a good conversation. Now, I want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, look up right up on that screen, right about there. And that discount code will help you save some money on this, should you be interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of lights, everyday carry that is, to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.